Guys, Fernand is still busted. Even after a nerf, it's still everywhere.
Yeah, and today I'm going to see my boyfriend using Fernand to see if he can get into like 15,000 trophies in Clash Royale.
Gonna try the recruit stack.
This one?
Like with Fernand, Evo Fernand. I have 14,000 trophies right now. Like 600.
That's actually pretty
just 600. Maybe 4 gets away.
Okay.
Cage?
Okay.
It's not really great. Because we can catch it.
Are you gonna put the piggy?
No.
Oh,
we're
no.
already down elixirs. So.
Oh right, you're just gonna wait.
So see, he draw miners and skeleton is 4 elixirs.
Ooh.
I draw cage and what's that? Is that barrel?
Yeah, barrel.
So, barrel. So it's a 6 elixir. Oh fuck. My bad. My bad. Oh.
Oh my god! You put a building over there.
I regret. It's so hard. It's really hard match. It's a hard match. So I think he's using balloon deck. Recruits at the back.
Why you put the recruits behind?
Just for evos.
Oh.
I'm trying for evos. It's not my actual push.
Ooh. Oh, it's a skeleton.
Whoa, bro.
I gotta go to. Oh.
It's kind of low. Alright. No.
Oh. Keep putting the
Fine.
building.
It's fine. Take it out, Fernand. Take it out. Yes. It's coming.
Air troop. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of air troops to deal with it. So, bro.
Oh my lord.
I don't want to risk it.
Is he really useful?
It is. It's so hard to deal with miner. Because we don't have a building with like Tesla or something. It's pretty hard. That's the worst. It's a hard match, huh? Unfortunately. It's fine. Oh, 400, top 400 players. Did you see it? Alright.
I think you should put the cage.
I'm fine. This because you just use finance. It's not even scary. One hit though. Or please one hit. Oh my god. I'm waiting for till 10 elixirs.
And then to do a push.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Because I cycle my recruits.
Okay.
So this time I cycle my recruits one time and furnace one time. Next push, I have both of the evos.
They can put them together.
Time
machine.
Yo, he's scared.
Oh
he's
my god.
Scared. He lights me furnace every time. I generally don't know. I'm gonna eat that.
Ooh. Figure out one tower.
No one.
Oh my. Oh. Don't. Oh my god.
See that here?
45 seconds left. Oh, it's so scary.
I think this is bad. Bad to use. It is bad.
Hawk Rider again. I think it's pretty hard to like defense Hawk Rider.
Yeah,
You always drop to the. Oh my gosh.
Yo, not one for you to play. Yo, he lightning every time. It's not that scary, brother. It's not that scary. What?
What the hell is he doing?
It's not that scary.
Okay, roll your hogs again.
Bro, don't hit it. Oh, don't hit
Oh
the
my
flying
God.
machine. It's fine, it's fine. We're leading.
It's pretty hard to like hit this tower. Oh, Fern's at the back, okay.
We cycle really quick, so.
Always lightning! Oh, Fern.
Oh, take it out, take it out, take it out. Please. Please, take it out. Lightning?
Again?
Lightning again! I'll drop. I gotta try something new.
Yeah, pretty good defense actually.
Page? Yo. He's faster. He's faster. He's faster. Hog.
Hog again.
Yeah. Then we go
Flying machine.
Connect. Connect, brother. Connect, brother. Avoid lightning. Great. I gotta cycle my. Hot. I mean PG. Not hot. Oh.
Okay,
He
he's
gave up.
winning.
He gave up. We manage. Let's go. Ooh. Also, he's a good player.
Fourth,
He's a good
yeah.
player.
14,000.
So Furnace at back. Wow.
Oops. It's not even walking.
Oh,
Don't try to fish me, okay, bro?
God. Do something, Furnace. Do something, Furnace. I'm a eat that damage, I think. Oh, one hit.
Oh,
Add us one.
it's okay. We try.
Maybe
Recruit?
Royal Giant.
Oh,
Royal
okay.
Giant. I'm waiting. If I drop a recruit at the back, he gonna go.
Defense.
Nah, Royal Giant in the bridge. Because I don't have elixir to defense it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're gonna to build a push. The royal recruits in the
Royal
middle.
recruits.
And what he puts.
So next time I have 2 evils, as I said, yeah. Next hunter is evil hunter because they draw two hunters already.
What are you gonna put to defend your hunter?
Just avoid Royal Giant.
Zap.
I don't want to put it too low.
Wow, a piggy really good defense.
Yeah, it's coming. Bro, what?
Again, we always put the same card.
Yo! It's all changed. He missed the lightning. He didn't hit it.
You didn't hit it.
He hit it. Hot. I think I was a bit. Yo, protect it. Oh,
Oh my god.
it's fine.
Yep, the
We-
big
we
is
take-
still
we-
useful.
We take it.
Oh, it's dropping. Yeah, okay.
Right. Yo,
332.
you should get up to. Yeah. Nice. Yo, show. Go, go, buddy, go, buddy. Next game.
Next one.
That was insane. We barely scrapped through those battles, but the furnace is proven is a total game changer, right?
Yeah, so can we reach 15,000 trophies? Don't miss part 2, hit subscribe button and stay tuned.